Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use Apple Pay without debit or credit card. So guys, if you want to use Apple Pay without debit or credit card on your Apple device, here I will show you how can you use it. So guys, this is very basic and simple. So guys, all you have to do is that simply open settings on your device first and then go to your profile and then scroll it below and go to media and purchases. Simply tap on media and purchases, and after this wait for some time, and now enter the password for your account and then tap on continue. Once you are here, you have to simply wait for some time, and after this you have to simply tap on country region, and from here select your country or region correctly, and now tap on continue. Again tap on agree button, and from here you can see you can use your debit or credit card from here, or you can use nothing from here as well, and you can see none button from here. Since you don't want to use your debit or credit card, you have to simply check this to none button, and after this give these details on here. So guys, you can see this, you have to give your phone number, your security code, your billing address, and then all your details regarding your name as well. So guys, do this, and after this you will be able to use Apple Pay without your debit or credit card. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.